For this video, I'm using neem powder, ground clove, and amla powder. First, I'm putting 2 tablespoons of amla powder in the bowl. And for neem, I'm going to put the neem powder in a jar for easy handling. I'm also going to be using 2 tablespoons of neem powder. Next, I'm going to be adding ground clove. Also using 2 tablespoons of ground clove. I think every other ingredient are pretty easy to read on this video. I didn't want to confuse things. That was why I spelled out the powdery ingredients. I'm going to be using almond oil to extract these powdery ingredients. You can decide to use any oil that is suitable with your hair. And for me to measure my oil, I'm going to be using this measuring cup, which is about 4 tablespoons or half a cup. So I'm going to be using 3 portions of this cup, 3 portions of this for almond oil. This is how I've been growing my hair ever since I chopped my hair. About like 2 years ago. I've been growing my hair, adding clove to my natural home DIY products. Also, neem and amla powder are very good ingredients you want to add to your hair product as well. So whichever one that works for you. I've been using this for a while now. I use it for myself and my daughter, and we haven't really seen any noticeable side effects other than it makes your hair thicker, stronger, and helps fight itchiness. Some mix it with shea butter or cocoa butter to make DIY pomade or DIY hair butter from this, whichever one. But for this video, I'm just concentrating on making the oil from neem, clove, and amla powder. So everyone, this is very easy to follow. This is castor oil right now. I'm adding castor oil, about half a cup. That's like 1/4 cup. So it's gonna be like 2 tablespoons of castor oil to read. And also I'm adding jojoba oil, which is what I'm adding right now, the same measurement as the castor oil, whichever oil you're able to find. I just love adding castor oil and jojoba oil to most of my DIY products because first, castor oil is thicker than every other oil, and it gives your hair this shining texture.